In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the SAM textbook project. The best way to be able to help your students is to actually do the assignments. So you click on the link to the module, and this will be the student's experience also. So the opening page tells them that they must use the SAM start file. So any other file, if they start with a blank document or copy and paste from someone else or save another person's document, it will reject it. I have given a maximum number of submissions as 5 so they can correct their mistakes and resubmit. So you click on start, and then if for any reason your screen comes to step 2, make sure you go back to step 1. So for the textbook projects, the instructions are actually in the textbook. So there's a link to the online textbook. Here is the starting file, and of course when you click on it, it will have your name and it will have the student's name. And if there's any support files that are needed, that you can download the start files. So you click on the start file, and when you open it, you will notice that it is a blank document and it still has the name on it, and then you go through the tutorial and complete the assignment. You will notice the submission attempts 2 of 5 because I've already done this once, so I've already submitted it once. So when you or the students have finished the assignment, it's time to upload the document. You have to make sure that you remind the students to have the file name be exactly what is expected. Otherwise, it will not accept it. So it'll be a check if it has the same file name. I made specific mistakes in this to demonstrate what happens when the students make mistakes. So we click on submit, and then you can immediately view the report. So here's my report, and because I did a couple of mistakes, I get 44 out of 100. So I just want to demonstrate this. The first thing is that the first line should be wash your hands with an exclamation point. I put in no exclamation point, so it looks like it is not showing as being there because I didn't type it correctly. So students may have an issue with just typos that get them to have a report like this. The other thing that happened is I misspelled dry. And so it doesn't recognize that there's many things here that is taking points away from me because I misspelled dry. So you can see here, wash your hands is not found in the document. Dry hands is not found in the document because I misspelled it. So I wanted to make that point, and many of these things are related to those 2 errors. I didn't remove a hyperlink from the document, and that shows as there. Again, all these mistakes are because I misspelled dry. And then the paragraph when should have been formatted with 0 spacing after the paragraph. And you'll notice here that if you look in the layout, I have an 8-point space. So that should be 0. I'm going to make corrections and resubmit. Now I'm just getting ready to upload my 3rd attempt. I hit submit. And then now I'm going to view the report. I had a couple issues with submitting the wrong file, so it took me 6 submissions, but in any case, I can generally find the issues that students have. It just takes a little digging sometimes, but that's what happens occasionally.